On 22th October, Huawei will launch Huawei Mate 40 series. You all already see the unboxing of Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Today we unbox the special edition of Huawei Mate 40 series, that a Porsche edition Huawei Mate 40 rupees. Today this video we all think that related with Huawei Mate 40 rupees and talk more about Porsche design. Start with unboxing. In box first you get a phone and also get a card of Porsche edition Huawei Mate 40 rupees, and after removing phone you get many of stuff. 2 charger, 1 AK charger that are 66W fast charger, and other are wired charger that are also 66W fast charger. For the first, Huawei introduced the 66W fast charger and it debuted with Huawei Mate 40 series. In terms of design, Huawei's Mate 40 rupees looks better than any other phone, and for me this is best looking phone of this year. At front you get a 88 degrees curvature display, at back you get a new kind of camera shape that are octagonal shape with penta camera setup with infrared thermometer. On the right side of phone you get power button that are in red color and volume button come back again, and here virtual volume button is still also there. On left there is nothing. The display size is 6.67-inch Samsung OLED HDR10 punch hole display with 90Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio of the phone is 94.1, that are slightly disappointed me. As usual, the resolution of phone is strange. The resolution of the display is 1344x2272, that categorized in Full HD Plus and Ultra HD Plus. This is first Android phone as well as first Huawei phone have equipped 5nm chipset that are Kirin 9000, and most probably this is last Mate series phone that have Kirin 9000 that directly compete with iPhone 12 series. The penta camera setup of Huawei Mate 40 rupees is 5MP primary camera with f1.9 that have OIS. The secondary camera is 12MP telephoto lens that support 3x optical zoom with OIS. The third camera is 8MP periscope lens that support 10x optical zoom with OIS. The quad camera is 2MP ultra-wide freeform lens that reduce noise in ultra-wide image and enhance the quality of ultra-wide image and at last of 3D. In terms of video recording, it's able to record 4K video at 30 or 60 fps. In front you get one 3MP with TOF lens, and it also support 4K video recording at 30 or 60 fps. Huawei Mate 40 rupees have OIS and EIS both. The Porsche edition Huawei Mate 40 rupees support up to 100x digital zoom. Overall the specification same as Huawei P40 Pro Plus. The battery capacity is 4400 mAh that are bigger than Huawei P40 series. For the first, Huawei introduced 66W superfast charger and 66W wireless car charger and 50W wireless charger. All are supported, and you get the charger in box. With 66W superfast wired charger you charge your phone in 44 minutes. Huawei Mate 40 rupees have 5W reverse wireless charger. Huawei Mate 40 rupees have infrared thermometer that measuring capable between -30 degrees to 100 degrees. This kind of technology also introduced by Huawei in his sub-brand that are Honor Play 4 Pro is first device that have infrared thermometer. The thickness of phone is 10.1 mm with the weight of 234 grams that have too much weight, and it also have IP68 certification. Mate 40 rupees have hybrid SIM slot. Huawei Mate 40 rupees have stereo speaker. Mate 40 rupees comes with 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. Huawei Mate 40 rupees available in 2 color, that are ceramic white and ceramic white color. Now price we all know that are 2295 euros. Some of people say that the price of phone is too much high and costly. For me phone is totally justified the price. No doubt this is best hardware phone so far. You get best camera, best display, best design, everything. We talk in detail about everyone in next video. Till then bye, meet you in next one. My name is Yash and you watching the YR.